Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach Node.js part 2 tutorial. Today I am going to teach very important stuff of Node.js. There are many students ask the question how to run the Node.js server, right? This is very important stuff. There are many students struggling with this one. There will be the port problem. There will be many struggling with how to run the Node.js server, right? The very simple stuff. Now let's create the Node.js project first, right? So I'm going to go to create the new project. So go to the CMD. Here I'm going to create the project. Now I'm in C drive. Let's go to the F drive, F colon. Now I'm going to make the folder. So how to make the folder on DOS mkdir folder name node exercise cx. I just give the name. Right now you are in the you have created the folder successfully. Now cd you have to open the folder node ex, right? Okay, now you are in the node this folder, right? Okay, now this is a folder now you have created successfully. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to open this folder. Which folder? node ex, right? So how to open? I already opened the VS Code. How to open the new VS Code? All the stuff we have studied in our last tutorial. Those who are not watched my previous tutorial, please watch them and come to this tutorial. Then only I have covered some basic stuff of Node.js. So now what I am going to go to open that one. Go to the file, open folder. Today date, what's the date? 7. This is your file node ex. Select folder. This one no need, right? This is right. This is your folder, right? Node.js, right? Now go to the terminal, new terminal, right? Your new terminal has been opened successfully. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to create a Node.js project, right? So how to create the Node.js project? Okay, it's very simple. First you have to write npm. I have already taught this one in my last init. You have to don't forget this command. This is a simple command you have to remember, right? npm init, press enter key. It asks the packages and everything. You just press enter key and skip all the stuff, right? If you want this all the stuff you have to give. Okay, press enter key is yes, press ok, right? Now your project is created. Now you will be able to check this one your project. Here this package.json is created. This is a package.js, right? The simple file. I haven't installed anything else. Now I am going to install the Express. So how to install the Express and everything, you just notice that now you have a blank. Now I am going to install those files. So npm, you write npm I express, you write mongoose. Here we have to first I am going to install the Nodeman, right? Nodeman, what is the meaning of Nodeman? It is a third party model, right? There are predefined libraries are there. It is getting from the Nodeman. It is a third party model, right? You are getting them from the third party, right? So press enter key, you will be able to download. What's the problem? Here what is the problem? Here I have I didn't type one e. I'm missing one e. That's the problem. Nodeman, right? So you have a up arrow key on your keyboard. You have to get the command, right? Up arrow key in your keyboard, right? You have to get the command again. This one you no need to type again by again. Up arrow key on your keyboard. You will be able to get it here. Here you have to type Nodeman. Right. Press enter key. Right now it's installing successfully. Right, you have to wait until the installation complete. It's installing the Express and Nodeman, right? This all the stuff it will be installing, right? You will be able to check here. It's all the stuff it's installing. Right, it installed successfully. Right, now you will be able to check here. This is package JSON. You will be able to check whether it's installed successfully or not. Here this is the express, these all the dependencies we have to install, right. This is called as dependency, express, mongoose and nodman, right. These are the dependencies, very important stuff, right. So this is our index.jsp page, right. When the program is run, it run as a index.js, right. When you run the PHP, you can see index.php. If it is run JSP, index.jsp, right. So that here in Node.js extension will be JS, so index.js, right. Now I am going to go to set the nodman, because when you make the changes, it automatically it observing the file name, right. If you while you make the changes, it observing the particular file name, right. Nodman will be automatically observed, right. So how to observe here? We have to write here start, you have to write a comma here, put it a comma, you write start, you have to write here nodman, the particular nodman index.js. This is a command you will be type, you should type this one command, right. This is very important stuff. Okay, now while you are change this one, right, this is a thing you have to do, right. Okay, now what I am going to do is here I am going to go to this file, right, index.js. So here I don't need to write again by any, I just copy this here. First I am going to implement this one, right, this express, this model I am going to Control C to copy, you have to paste it here, right. This is the express model, express, right, this required express, right. If you install express and everything, we have to get them, right. After that we have to the app dot this one, right, Control V to paste here. If I type this one, take too much time to complete, so that I just write. Now after that the app should be listen port we have to initialize, right, the server initialize port we have to initialize. So how to initialize a port? You have to write here, it is very simple to, the way to write. So first you write app dot listen, you can type here simple app dot listen, after that the port which you are running, so that is very important stuff. So I have to run the port 5000 comma, and we have to write this one bracket and everything. This is the predefined code, right, on Node.js. You have to write this one, right. Okay, now here we have to console your server is started, right, this one Control C to copy, you have to write this efficient way on your program, right. After that we have to give the message, if it is connected you have to give the message. So Control C to copy, this one Control V, here we have to write app.use, this is a root. So here we have to write index, this is a request and response, get the request and response, you have to write, you have to run it through the JSON request, this is a request, we have to print it out in the browser, hi note, welcome, hi note, right, that's message I am going to print, right. So this is the thing here. After done all the stuff, okay, this is the server port we are running, right, this server port we are running index.js, right, this is server port we are running. Okay, there are no, if it is run or you have to check, you have to put it the message like this, app use request response, you have to get this message, right. So let's check whether it's working fine or not. So how to run this file? Very simple, you have to write npm start run, okay, start run, write like this, press enter key, right. The problem is here we didn't save the file, that's a problem. So if it is save all, now here it is connected, okay, here server start 5000 port, right. Now here I am going to make the changes and save the file. Here it automatically changes will be made. This all the stuff made by nodman, so that I have to I have give the example of Node-man, right? This is all the changes. If you made any changes over here, put it only hi message, and we have to save them. Here unsave. It is telling the message on here, right? It's in this editor, right? If you save here, it's working fine, right? Here I'm going to write Node.js. Okay, unsave file. If you save the file, here your Node-man will be observing your file. How to observing mean you have to tell them here start Node-man index.js mean it is observing your file. But the changes you have made, it automatically, when you save, it automatically change here. Start port. If you run through this port, you will be able to see localhost. What's the port you have to run? Present key. Hi Node.js. Right here, your message will be successfully displayed. Hi Node.js. Right. This is a very simple program, server connect program you have to write. I explained the Node-man clearly. Okay, what is the meaning of Node-man? When you change the anything of the file, it automatically changed at the same time. Here, when you run the app, right? Very simple one. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. As soon as possible, I will make the MERN app soon. One of my students who comment this full MERN stack project needed. So I will, as soon as possible, I will do it. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me.